AMV, is it right to have sexual intercourse with your spouse to be, even though both parties agreed to do so? Read my lips, read my lips. The answer is no. It is not right to have, no matter how much you like yourself, until you officially tie the knot. That is when it becomes normal. That is when you now ask the right. That is when it is no longer fornication. Until you tie the knot, it is still tag fornication, no matter how much you love yourself. Are we together now? So if you like, the both of you take oath. Fornication is fornication. You are just two sinners who took oath. So the answer is no. It is not right to have sexual intercourse with your spouse to be, even if the both of you come to agreement. The both of you are wrong. Are we together now? It is only right to have sexual intercourse with your spouse when you have officially tied the knot. Amen. God bless you. That's my answer to your question.